Conditional statements. Conditional statements. Okay. Based on the condition, we can make the decisions. In that, basically, which is total 5 types: simple if else, and if else if, next nested if, and switch case. Switch case. Switch case. Last session we discussed about a simple if, and we discussed about if else. If else. Now we'll try to understand if else if. If else if. If else if. So what is the purpose of if else if? We'll try to understand. If else if. So when we have the multiple conditions, when we have multiple conditions, multiple conditions, we can go with if else if. If else if conditional statements. If else if conditional statements. What is the syntax? Syntax for if else if is syntax. Syntax for if else if. This if is the keyword, else is the keyword. This one is also keyword, right? If we will take the condition, and from here to here, this is the scope of the class, and after that again we have the condition else if, and again here we should take the condition, and from here to here, this is the scope of the class. Like that, you can take a number of conditions else if. And guys, programs is easy. You have to understand the pulse condition. Okay, basically we will write some condition here, and it will the program will go with these conditions, and then it can validate. For example, here if I take, normally I will show you here. Normally I will show you. For example, if I mention int a equal to some 10, here I will write the condition. The condition is a less than 20, a less than a less than 20. If a is less than 20, the controller will go if block, and then it will execute the business log. Okay, if the condition is not satisfied, then the controller will go to the again next condition. It will check the again next condition. It will check the again next condition. It will check the again next condition. Here, basically, I would mention again. I would mention some other condition. Generally, when you wrote the 10th class exams, so in that 10th class exams, they give the grades to us. Grades to us, like if you got the score in between 90 to 100, 90 to 100, then you are in first class. You are in first class. Are you guys clear with my points? First class. And you have the score in between some 70 to, here we'll write mention 75 to 100. Okay, next we will take with some 35 to 35, 75, some 50 to 75. Second class. And 35 to 75, 35 to 50, third class. Third class. So my requirement is, I will tell you, guys, can you please write a Java program? Write a Java program. Write a Java program to validate the mocks. Write a Java program to validate the mocks. To validate the marks, validate the marks, and give the grades. Give the grades. So I will give the program like this. Then how you can write the program? అర్థమైందా? One student has written the exam. He got the score like this. And I told you guys, can you please write a Java program to validate the marks and you can give the grades. So in that case, how you can write the programs? So there are multiple conditions. So here actually I took only three conditions. Not only three, you can take multiple conditions. Then how you can write the Java programs in this case? In this case, this kind of situations, how we can write the Java programs? That we can write the Java programs by using if else if. We can write the Java programs by using if else if. Okay. I will take one Java program and then I will show you. You will get the better clarity. Now I am going with any file. Here actually I would like to create one more new Java file. One more new Java file. I am taking with one more new Java file. Text document. Here I am taking the text document and the file name I would like to mention if else if demo, if else if else if the file names you can take anything. Okay. Now the class name public if else if and main method public static void main method and string aux and here. So for example, one person has written the exam and he got the score 80. He got the score 80. Int marks equal to int marks equal to 80. 80. Now I need to display the grades. I need to display the grades. How I can display the grades? First I will take the if block and here I will take the condition. The condition is if the student marks greater than or equal to 75 and operator and marks less than 100, less than 100. Okay, if the person satisfy this condition, then it has to display system dot out dot println he got distinction, he got first class, got a distinction, he got distinction, he got distinction. Okay. Now this is one condition. Now second condition is else if. Now the second condition is the second condition is marks greater than or equal to 52, I would say 55 to some 75, 52 marks less than 75. Then you can display he got first class system dot out dot println he got first class, he got first class. Okay, so similarly simple problems guys. Okay, simple if here you can take from here to here, this is the scope of the class, and here again you can take the condition. What condition? 50 to 70. Okay, now 35 to 50 marks greater than equal to marks greater than equal to 35. Okay, and operator and marks less than 50. marks less than 50. Here you can display the message system dot out dot println he got second class. He got second class. He got second class. So that's it. Here what I am doing, I am validating multiple condition. I am checking multiple conditions. Now you can tell me the answer. Here my value is hard coded. I took the values 80 and then check the condition. Then if I run this one, what should I get as the result? What should I get as the result? He got a distinction. If I, instead of this one, if I mention some 60, now in this case 60, he got first class. If I mention some 40, now he got second class. Like that we can validate. Like that we can validate. For example, if I mention some 79, then in that case, some 99 in that case. In that case, hmm? In that case, he got distinctions. So like that, when we have, when the requirement have the multiple conditions, we'll go with the if else if. We'll go with the if else if. Like that, you can take a number of conditions. I'm saving this file, and then I can compile the file. Open cmd command prompt. Here you can Java second guys, and it will keep the charging to my laptop. Java C if else if dot Java. We made some mistakes. That what mistakes we made. You can see here public class if else if. In the line number 1, that is the one error, and the second error is line number 24. There are two errors. In the line number 24, what is the error? System dot out dot println. This is the spelling mistake. Spelling mistake. And in the line number 1, what is the error? Public class if else if. Now we can go with that location. If else if. Oh, if else if.
Small letters సేవ్ చేశారు కదా ఇప్పుడేమో క్యాపిటల్ ఇచ్చారు
ఓకే ఓకే ఈ విచ్ సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. I would say second error where actually, so here clearly in the command prompt it is clearly telling to us line number 24. Go to that line number 24, 17, this is the 24, line number 24. Public class if else if.
ఇక్కడ స్మాల్ ఇచ్చి కమెంట్
Okay, okay. Small if if else if, and then the file name is also same, if else if
Second
dot
line. Second line.
if else if. Okay, this one is small if. Yeah. Now we can go with that command, run this one. File has successfully compiled. Now we can run the file java if else if. You can see he got distinction. He got distinction like that. Now, for example, if I mention some 80, it also will get the same, right? Some will take some 60. Compile the file, run the file. He got first class. Like that, a number of conditions you can validate. Like that, a number of conditions we can validate. Like that, number of conditions we can validate. So this is the data I'm taking hard coding. That you can take the data by using scanner class as well. We can take the data by using scanner class as well. How we can take the data by using scanner class? You can mention, you can scanner new scanner class, and in that you can mention system dot in. That again you can store in one reference variable. One reference variable. The reference variable is some sc, and the scanner class is, now you can mention, we are reading the integer values, right? Sc dot next int. Okay, you can take the value, that value can store in marks validation, marks, and the data type is the integer, the data type is the int. Here you can take the values system dot out dot println. Here please enter please enter please enter grades, please enter grades, or please enter marks, anything, please enter marks, please enter marks. Now I am saving this one. You can go ahead with that location, compile the file, compile the file. This is scanner class that you have to import the statement. Go to that location. Here you can import the statements. Import dot java dot util dot scanner class. Scanner class. File has successfully compiled. Now we can run the file. Java if it is asking some marks. For example, if I am giving some 40, you can see here he got second class. He got second class. Like that, you can take the values from the keyboard as well. Like that, you can take the values from the keyboard as well. Are you guys clear with my words? Are you guys clear with my words? If else if is the conditional statements when we have the multiple conditions. When we have the multiple conditions, then we can go ahead with the, then we can go ahead with if else if else if. We can go ahead with the if else if. We can go ahead with the if else if. Okay. So in this area, any questions, guys? Any questions? You guys, please be practice with this program. Also, tomorrow I will ask the questions from starting to till now, whatever the topics we covered. So tomorrow I will ask the questions each of one. You guys, you should tell to the answers of that. Any other questions from today's session? Any questions from today's session? Any questions? Please let me know. Online people, please respond. Any queries? Sita Mahalakshmi, I didn't get you. What is your a small letter?
Sir, in the program, that error is got na sir. F small letter, but a type mistake.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay, 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 yeah, fine, fine. Okay, okay, fine, guys. So please do the assignment, and tomorrow I will ask the questions to you from starting to till now, whatever the topics we covered, and I will ask the questions. Seminar, you guys, you should give the seminars on the topics. Okay, tomorrow I will take the doubt session for you. So you guys please prepare from starting to till now. What you have any questions? Meaning I will you guys submit all the assignments from till now, and then I will ask the questions on that. Okay. So please share.